Hey guys, guess who has plant mail? TQ Hoyas. This feels cushiony. I like this. So pretty seeing this on your doorstep. I'm doing this quick because some of my grandchildren are stopping by and I didn't want to wait and try to do this later while they were here. So I'll get these plants out of this box. I like this, very pretty. Tiffany, I don't know if you watch the videos. If you do, nice job. Very pretty, taking that time. Well, this is smart. Okay. Trying to do this quickly. I'll speed it up. I don't remember for sure what it was. I got 2 plants, I know that. Oh. Alright. Well, this is nice. It's secure if you think about it. This is coming from Texas. I believe that's where she is, and they've had a lot of flooding and rain, so I wonder if this method of packing this was just to ensure that the plant stays secure in there and dry. Could be, you never know. So, all right, now we're down to the nitty gritty, and I am saving these boxes, guys. They always come in handy if you're trying to ship something, a plant or whatever. I like to reuse, recycle when possible. Smells like plants. Oh my. Alrighty. Ooh, so you know what's happening in here. Okay, now I hope tags are included because, like I said, I don't remember, but I'm liking what I see. Okay, let's get rid of this. Let's be real gentle. Oh, okay, I see. Oh my gosh, now I remember what I bought. Meredithii, round leaf. Yes, I have one. Isn't she beautiful? And this date here, I remember her telling me before, that's when the cutting was put in here. So we're gonna let it be, leave it in there for a while, and then I will put it in my pond. I'm in no rush, got enough to do these days. And here's the other plant, which was Crassy Petiolata Splash, round leaf. Yeah. Very pretty, right? It's got a rounder shape than some of the others. Yeah, I like that. Very nice. And the date for that one was 4/4, so it's been in here for a while. And yeah, we'll have to check those roots out. Everything feels nice and secure in here. Sometimes you can feel the heat in the box when you open them up. Today's not that bad a day. So, yep, very nicely done. Thank you, Tiffany.
Okay, I think I'm obsessed.
Great job.
Let me show you.
2 new plant babies to add to the collection. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Talk to you later.